Here is a Toyota Corolla. Let's go ahead and get started. This child door lock feature is only in the rear doors, not the front door. Let's start with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is a switch. All you have to do is just push the switch down to activate the feature. Now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, now if I get on the inside and close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I will not be able to open the door. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide over there and open that door. And we can because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's go ahead now, open the left door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature, and I can open the door from outside as normal. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open. That's good. Repeat the process for the right side door. Exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Same switch, just push it down to activate the feature. I can still open it from outside. And on the inside now, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door, and I cannot. So what am I going to do to get out? I'm just going to slide over there and open that door. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors. You don't want the child to just slide over there and open the other door and get out and cause problems. So for now, let's just go ahead over here and open this door. Open the right side door from outside. Push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. I can still open from outside as normal. And the inside lock position, I should not be able to open. Unlock, I can open. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.